profit as per the cost book, profit as per the financial book. If there is any difference is there, we draw a reconciliation. ABC means activity-based costing is considered. More charge, less profit, less charge, more profit. What is work certified and work considered? Work has been completed and certified by the engineer of the contract is called work certified. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Advanced Cost and Management Accounting 1, Session 2 in favor of 5th semester BCom. I am going to solve model question paper of 10 marks each. In the last session, we solved the problem for 15 marks question. 3 problems have been solved. Here also they will give the 5 problem. Out 5 question they will give. Out of the 5 question, 2 or 3 are problems are. The problem goes 1. Reconciliation statement between the cost and financial account. Next one we say activity-based costing is considered is there. Number 3, we are going to discuss one by one, which are the 3 we are going to say. One is called reconciliation statement. Number 2, activity-based costing is considered called ABC method is called. Third is contract account for 1 year. Contract account for 1 year is considered. So we'll go through one by one slowly. I will say that there are 3 things you have to bear in mind. So first here we go with the reconciliation between the cost account and the financial accounting is considered. Second, we go to ABC method. Activity-based costing is considered. Number 3 is the contract account for 1 year is considered. We'll move on to problem now. Prepare reconciliation statement. Reconciliation between the profit shown as per the cost book, the profit shown as per the financial book should be one and the same. If there is any difference between these two, a statement is done. That statement we called as reconciliation statement. So profit as per the cost book, profit as per the financial book. If there is any difference is there, we draw a reconciliation for making equal. No, that reconciliation is called reconciliation statement. If we read out the problem here, see that it's a good thing. We'll go the problem very slowly in examination. Read 2 or 3 times and get the answer. Net profit as per the cost book is 1,34,455. Net profit as per the financial record 1,72,400. So there is a difference. Works overhead under recovered means low charge in cost account. Administration overhead in excess in cost account, more charge in costing. Depreciation charge in financial record is 11,200. Depreciation charge in the cost book is 12,500. Interest receipt but not included in the cost book is 8,000. Observation charge in the financial books is 40,300. Bank interest credited in the financial books only 750. Depreciation stock charged in the financial books only 6,750. Store adjustment credit means gain in financial book 475. So there are 2 items, profit as per cost book, profit as per the financial book. We start with the cost book, end with the financial record. We'll go slowly now. See that net profit as per the cost book, how much you take? 1,34,455. We'll start that. Works overhead under recovery. When you charge, where it is charged under recovered in cost. When you charge low charge, what will happen? The profit will be more in the costing, less in the financial book. So make equal, which will be raised here? Low charge, more profit, more charge, less profit. What's the formula? More charge, less profit, less charge, more profit. Who charges less? Cost book charges less. What will happen to cost book? Cost book is more profit, financial book is less. Which is the base? Cost book. To make equal, it should be deducted. How much? 3,120. Then administration overhead recovered in excess in cost. More charge in cost book. More charge, less profit, less charge, more profit. Where we charge more in cost book, their profit has been come down. Financial profit is more, costing profit less. To make equal, add back so much money. Then depreciation charge in financial record 11,200. Depreciation charge in cost book is 12,500. Who charges more costing? How much he charge? 12,500. This is the cost book, CB. How much charge in the financial account? 11,200. This is financial book. There's a difference of 1,300. Who charges more? See that cost book charges more profit, financial charges less profit. More charge, less profit, less charge, more profit. The profit will be less in the cost book, more in the financial book, which is the base now cost book to make equal. Add back how much money? 1,300. That should be added. I will explain once again. Then interest received but not in the cost book. When the interest received, now the profit of the financial books goes more, no entry in the cost book, which showing more profit, financial showing more profit, costing showing less, to make equal, add back. Making equal, cost book should be made equal to financial books, that's all. Then obsolescence loss, charge in financial book. Some loss has been, obsolescence means change of fashion. Some loss have been incurred for financial book, their profit will be reduced, the financial profit will reduce, whereas the costing profit is more, financial profit is less. Which profit is more? Costing. Which profit is minus? To make will deduct. Then bank interest credited in financial, credit means plus. What will happen to financial book? Financial book will be raised, no entry in the cost book, which showing more, financial book showing more, cost book showing less, to make equal, what to do? Add back. Plus. Depreciation stock, charge only the financial book. When the depreciation is charged, financial, what will happen to finance? Your financial profit will be reduced, no entry in the cost book showing more, financial showing less, which is the base, cost book reduce. Store adjustment credited in the some adjustment credited in the financial book. What will happen to profit? Profit will be increased in financial book, no entry in the cost book showing more, financial booking showing more, cost book showing less, financial book showing more. To make equal, what to do? Add back. You take the one by, make the equal. If you want, I can repeat once again. See that works overhead under review, low charge, more profit, more charge, less profit. Who will charge less? Cost book. Their profit is more, financial profit is less, to make equal, minus. Administration recovered in excess in costing, more charge, their profit have been reduced here, costing profit, financial profit is more, to make equal, add back. Then depreciation charge in financial book 11,200, depreciation charge in cost book difference is 1,000. Who charges more? Costing charges more. More charge, less profit, less charge, more profit. Who charges more? Costing, their profit have been reduced to extent of 1,300. Financial profit is more, costing profit is less. To make equal, how much should be added? 1,300 should be added. Then interest received but not included in the cost book. Some interest is credited. When the interest is credited, what will happen? Your financial book will be raised. Here, no entry in the cost book. Cost book is less, financial book is more. To make equal, add back. Obsolescence loss charged in the financial book. Some loss has been charged in the financial book. What will happen to financial book? Financial profit has been come down. No entry in the cost book showing more, financial book showing more. What to do? Minus. Then bank interest credited in the financial book. What will happen to the financial book? Financial book will be raised. No entry in the cost book showing less, financial book showing more. What to do? Add. Then depreciation of stock charged in the financial. When the depreciation is charged, what will happen? Your financial book will be reduced, but no entry in the cost book showing more, and financial book showing less. What to do? Minus. Store adjustment created in the financial book. What will happen to your financial book? Financial book will be raised. No entry in the cost book showing less, financial book showing more. What to do? Add back. So you take plus one side, minus another side. We'll go. Profit as per the cost book is 1,72,400. Administration overhead 1,700. Under recovery costing, depreciation difference no 1,300 should be added. Interest received only in financial book FB 800. Bank interest credited in the financial book. Store adjustment is there. You see that store adjustment created in financial, all this should be added, is come to 12,225. In add this figure now, it will come 1,84,625. Then works overhead under here now, works overhead recovery is 3,120. Only obsolescence loss charged in financial book only 40,300. Division of stock charge on the financial book only. Add these three, it will come 50,570. This should be deducted. The difference is 1 lakh. Profit as per financial book is how much? 1,34,455. See the question. Profit as per the cost book here, we started with how much? 1,72,000. Arrived how much? Started from 1,72,400. You arrived 1,34,455. Easy, no? Just to make equal, costing more, financial more, costing also more, financial less, costing also less here. Hope so. You understand this point? Then we go to the here. Active based costing has been introduced. That is called ABC method. ABC means activity based costing is considered. So a company manufactures two products A and B using common facilities. Annual output units 10,000. This is 50,000 units. Total is 60,000. Total machine hours 20 hours 1,20,000. Total hours 1,40,000. Total number of purchase 163,84. 544. Total number of purchase, total number of setup is 64. What here? Annual overhead is as under volume related activity cost 5,60,000. Setup related cost 8,40,000. Here purchase related cost is 7 lakh. Calculate the cost per unit of X and Y product based on. Here one by one, first you go with the traditional base. Then we go to ABC analysis. This is the question asked for 10 marks is considered. We'll go. First machine hour rate here now. What is the total overhead? See that? Total overhead now. 7 plus 8, 15 plus 5, 21. Add all the three. Which are the three items are? One is 5,60,000 plus 8,40,000 plus 7 lakh. This is 8 plus 5, 13 plus 14 plus 7 is 21 lakh total expenditure. So 5,60,000, 8,40,000 plus 7 lakh is 21 lakh. You got, see that how many hours are there? Total number of hours is 20 hours, 1,20,000, 1,40,000 hours are there. Per hour is how much? Machine hour rate per hour is 15 rupees. This goes to machine hour rate overhead. Then your output is 10,000, another 50,000. Machine hours are 20 hours, 1,20,000. This is traditional method. Machine hour 15, 20 hours, 50. Per hour how much is 15? 20 to 15 is 3 lakh. 1,20,000 to 15 is 18 lakh. So this is 3 lakh divided by 10,000 units. It works out 30 rupees. This divided by 50,000 units. It works out 36. We repeat, output is 10,000 into X. Product B is 50,000. Machine hour 20 hours. 1,20,000 hours. Per hour how much? 15. 20 into 15 is 3 lakh. 1,20,000 to 15 is 8 lakh. So this is a total cost now. For how many product total? No, product A, product B. How many units are there? 10,000 divided by 10,000 is 30. Here, divided by 50,000 is 36. This is overhead cost per unit is considered as per the old method is considered. I will repeat. You already calculated the machine hour, 21 lakh divided by 1 lakh 40,000 hours. It works out how much? 15 hour machine hour rate per hour. 15 rupees per hour is there. So traditional method, how many hours work? 20,000 into 15 is 3 lakh. 1 lakh 20,000 15 is 18 lakh. How many units is produced? 10,000. 3 lakh divided by 10 lakh. Here no, 3 lakh divided by 10,000 is overhead cost per unit is 30. 18 lakh divided by 50,000 is, that is 1 lakh 20 into 15 is 18 lakh divided by 50,000 is 36 rupees per unit. Cost per unit overhead. Overhead cost per unit is considered. This goes in favor of traditional. Then activity based method is considered. Machine hour rate, no, value related expenses divided by machine expenses, machine hour, value related expenses. If we see that, no, value activity cost is how much? 5,60,000, 5,60,000. Number of hours, product A 20 hours, product B 1 lakh 20 hours, 5,60,000 divided by 140 is machine hour is 4 rupees. This as per, we divide into 3 activities. One is machine hour rate, then is the rate per machine setup activity. Setup related expenses, number of setup related expenses. We see that now, how much is there? 8,40,000. 8 lakh 40, 20 plus 44. It works how much? 13,150, 25. Then come back. Rate per order related expense, number of order. So the total expenditure 7 lakh 160 plus 384, 544. It comes to 1,286.76 is considered. So you have in AB's activity based costing, you divide the activities in 3 groups. First group is machine hour rate. Second group is setup cost. Third group is rate per order is considered here. Each group you have to bifurcate now what's the total cost. Then you have to go with the product. Here, product is 10,000 units, product is 50,000 units. Machine related cost 20,000 into 4 is there. See that? Here 4 is there per how much? 4 rupees per hour rate. So 20,000 is 4 is 80,000 hours divided by 10,000 units. It works out 8 rupees. Then setup related cost 20,000 is 13,125. It works out how much? 2,62,500 divided by 10,000 units. It works out 26.25. Regarding the order related cost, 160 into this 20,581, 2,05,081 divided by 10,000 units. It works out 20.588. I took 20.59. It comes to cost per unit 54.84. This goes in favor of X. In favor of Y, you got 1,20,000 hours into 4 is 4,80,000 divided by 50,000. It works out 9.6. Then setup related cost is 44 into 13,125, 5,77,500 divided by 50,000 units. It works out 11.55. Third one, 384 into 1,286.76. It will come 4,94,115 divided by 50,000 units. It works out 9.88. Totally, it will come 31.03 cost per unit related to 50,000 units are considered. Here, 10,000 units. Very easy problem they are going to ask. If you want, I will explain one by one. Here, one is traditional method. One is called activity-based costing. ABC method is considered. Activity-based costing method is considered. So when you go to the traditional method, you add all the three. 5,60,000 plus 8,40,000 plus 7 lakh is 21 lakh divided by number of hours 40. It works out 15 rupees. So output is 10,000. Here 50,000. Machine hour 20 hours. 1 lakh 20 hours. 20,000 into 15 is 3 lakh for how many product? 10,000 divided by 10,000. It will work. Overhead cost per unit is 30. Regarding this, no, you have got 50,000. 1 lakh. This output is there. 1 lakh 20,000 hour per hour is 15. It works out how much? 18 lakh divided by 50,000. Overhead cost per unit, it works out 36 is considered. Then come back to the ABC method. You divide the entire group into 3 units. One is called machine hour rate, then rate per machine setup rate, machine hour rate. This is the two one. Third one, order, rate per order. Three groups have been made. First group, machine hour rate, value related expense divided by machine. So value is how much? 5,60,000 divided by 20,000 plus 1 lakh means 1,40,000 here now. Here, value, this is value related activity cost, value related activity cost here now. Value related activity expenses machine hour rate, 5,60,000 is a value related expenditure divided by 20,000 plus 1,20,000, it comes to 1,40,000 hours. 5,60,000 divided 1 lakh, it works out 4 rupees. Rate per machine setup, setup related expense are given divided by number of setup related expense is 8,40,000 divided 20 plus 44 is 64. It works out 13.125. 13,125. So here machine hour, here now we got individual machine hour. Machine hour 20 into 4 is 80,000 divided by 10,000 is 8 rupees. Setup related cost 20,000. See that whatever you work out, no same thing. 13,125 into 2,62,500 divided by number of units is 10,000. It works out 26.25. Regarding order related cost is 116 2,05,881 divided by 10,000 means 20.588. You taken as 20,059. Regarding this, 1,20,000 into 4, 4,80,000 divided by 50,000, it is 9.60. 44 into this is 44 into 13,125, 5,77,500 divided by 50,000 units, it works out 11.55. Third one, 384 into 1,000, 286.76. It will come 4,94,115.84 divided by 52, 9.88. Totally it works out 31.03. Easy way of calculating. I have done my duty here now. Easy way. You first one, ordinary method, add all divide by number of hours. Whereas here you divide all the activities, that is called A, B, C, 3 activities. All the 3 activities should be one. One activity is machine related. This is called A. This is called B. This is called C. Activity base has been made. Cost per unit you have find out. Then we will move on to contract account. So what is contract account? In a contract account, there are, is this a 1 year contract? In a contract account, there are 2 parties are there. One is called the contractor, and is called the contractee. Contractee is the owner. Contractor, the man who execute the work on behalf of the contractee. So whatever the price we fix, it is called the contract price. That price is called contract price, we are going to say. Here the major important now, if the contract is started and completed in the same year, the question calculating profit is easy. Whatever the difference comes, that is a profit. But if the contract is started and completed after 2 or 3 years, so we have to calculate the profit like this. You take the work certified and the contract price. If your work certified is less than 1/4, whatever the difference comes, that is a profit in reserve. If the work certified is 1/4 exactly of the contract price, but less than 50%, 25%, more than 25%, up to 50%, that is 1/4, less than half, you have to charge 1/3. If it is exactly 50%, less than 90%, you have to charge the 2/3 profit. If it's 1 year contract, problem is will be very easy. This will ask for 10 marks is considered. So Rama Construction Company undertook a contract for rupees 25 lakh, the information provided. Material outside on 31st end of the year, it will come on the credit side. Wages paid will come on the debit side. Outstanding wages will come on the debit side. Then material 6 lakh will come on the debit side. Architect's fees debit side. Then materials returned to store credit side, other expense debit side. The construction was completed on 31. The same year it has been completed and the contract price was duly received. Client is to be depreciated by 10%. Prepare the contract account and contractee's account. We'll go with the problem. Here, Ram Construction Limited, here now. Material, how much is there? 6 lakh. Wages is 4 lakh. Here, wages paid. Here no, 4 lakh. And outstanding is how much? 50,000 add. 4 lakh. Outstanding wages, no. Here, no. Material at site, will come back here. At site is 1 lakh is there. Okay. Wages paid is how much? Wages paid is 4 lakh. Outstanding wages is 1 lakh. Add the figure. Wages is 4 lakh, after all 1 lakh, it becomes 5 lakh. Architect's fees here, no. Architect's fees is 6 lakh. And material is 6 lakh. So wages is 4 lakh, add outstanding wages, this is plus. Add outstanding 1 lakh, it becomes 5 lakh. Then architect's fees is 10,000. Plant issued, no. Here, plant issued is 2,50,000. Material returned to store, come back to credit side, 50,000. Other expenses is 1 lakh. The contract was completed on 31st. All the expenditures should be shown on the debit side here. 6 lakhs expenditure, like 12 lakh, 6 plus 5, 11 lakh. If you add, no, these are all the lakhs we have got. These are all the expenditure of the contract. It will be completed at the 31st December. It is completed in the same year. So material outside is 1 lakh. Material return is 50,000. Work have been completed the same year. By contract account, contract price is 25 lakh. If we add all this, no, 25 lakh, it is 26 lakh 50,000. Whatever the difference is there, out of 26 lakh, 6 lakh, 11 lakh, 12 lakh, 35,000. Here, no. Here you got 26 lakh 50,000. If you have got, no, what's the plant issued here? 2 lakh 50,000 is there now. If we add this now, 26 lakh 50,000, 26 lakh 50 followed by 30 minus 6 lakh minus 5 lakh minus 10,000 minus 2,50,000 minus 1 lakh is equal to 11 lakh 90,000 is the difference. If we deduct from this figure, it is 11. Same year contract, the question of 2 by 3, 1 by 3 does not arise at all. The entire profit goes to contract. The 10 marks question, 11 lakh 90,000. All the expenditure should be shown on the debit side. Material cost is 6 lakh. Wages is 4 lakh. Here, only change no. Outstanding wages, you have to take 1 lakh here. Material at site 4 lakh. Wages paid 4 lakh. Outstanding wages 1 lakh you have taken. Material 6 lakh. Architect's fees 10,000. Plant issue 2,50,000. Material return to store 50,000 here. Only change 1 lakh. 6 lakh is the material cost. Wages totally 5 lakh. Architect's fees pays 10,000. Plant issued is 2,50,000. Other expenses 1 lakh. Material outside is how much? 1 lakh. Material returns is 50,000. Work has been completed. If it is not completed in the same year, you have to say work certified here. Work in progress, work certified, you have to take. What is work certified and work uncertified? Work has been completed and certified by the engineer of the contract is called work certified. Work is completed but not certified by the architect. What's called contract engineer is called work uncertified. Completed, not certified is work certified. If the contract is completed in the same year, you have to write by contract account 25 lakh. Whatever the difference comes, the difference goes to contractor. How much he got a profit is 11 lakh 90,000 is enjoying the profit. Hope very, very easy problem. All the expenditure should be shown on the debit side. Closing balance should be shown on the credit side. Contract account show because it is going to be completed on 31st December itself. End of the year, it is going to be closed down by contract. How it is known? Contract account data to contract account. How much? 25 lakh. How much is the difference? 11 lakh 90,000. This goes in favor of the contractor is considered. Hope you understand. I have solved all the 3 problems here. Then come back to the contract account. On 31st December, by bank, how much you pay? 25,000 to contract account because work has been completed here on 31st December. Has they mentioned the date? See that? Only 31st December they mention. Here we don't know. Here also 31st December closes, no. By entry, what's the entry? Bank account data to contract account. What's the entry? Bank account data to contract account. Who receives the contract receives from the contractor. How much he received? Contract price is 25 lakh. So in your contract account, you write the contractee. In the contract account, we write contract. See that? I will show how it is. Here you pass the entry, contract account data to contract. I will repeat, contract account data to contract account. Same entry, contract account data to contract account. How much money? 25 lakh. He received the entire 25 lakh of the same year. So we solve the problem. One on reconciliation, one is activity-based costing, one is called contract account for 1 year. So all the three problems have been solved. They will ask 5 questions. You have to answer any 3. Better to select the problem here. Then theory question we can go through. 10 marks question will come. But here all the 3 problems are easy. I solved all the problems. Please go through the problem 2 or 3 times in here in the home. Repeat, work out very well. Bring the name to institution. Bring the name to your parents. Hope thank you once again. Best of luck in the exam. Once again I say thank you on behalf of the institution. Better to work out very well. Bring the name to institution. Bring the name to your parents. Thank you once again.